Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Bharat Ahuja. You're watching Divit Tech. Today we are going to review and unbox the ESR case for iPhone XS Max. Earlier I also had the ESR case with tempering glass without a stand, and when I got off my car I had the phone on my lap and it fell down, and the case is no more good. It got damaged from this edge, and the crack went across. So I had to order a new one. But other than this damage, the case has been protecting my phone pretty well for very good time. Now, as you can see, the existing case that I had has also gone a little yellow. So I would say that this is not the best case that would stay clean forever, but I shouldn't deny that I used it for almost a year. I had my XS Max last year when Apple launched this. Right from the day one I had it. Lucky me. And immediately I ordered this case, but in past few days it dropped. My phone dropped a few times, and fortunately this case protected my phone. So today we are going to unbox and review the case that I ordered from Amazon. This is the ESR brand. It has a metal kickstand, and my previous case did not have the kickstand. It had a tempering glass, and ESR and Amazon are telling me that this also has protection on the edges for drop protection is what they call it. So let's go ahead and unbox this case and let's review it. Let's see what we got here. So this case comes in this packing. As you can see in the focus, this comes with a small piece of instruction which says please do not force the stand too far. It opens a max of 60 degrees. So they are clearly mentioning that the stand in either angles will not go beyond 60 degrees. If you keep it vertical or horizontal, it will stay till 60 degrees. So let's go ahead and try to open it. So we have this new case from ESR. Why don't we try it? Right? Easy, simple, easy, good enough. I can feel this is little thicker than the previous case, and this case looks pretty good. And as you can see, the phone can stand like this, or I can very well watch a movie like this. So this is a very good advantage for me, because I always had to use another dock which I had on my desk to make the phone stand vertically or to make it sit horizontal. But in this case I do not have to worry. And talking about wireless charging, ESR said that this case does support wireless charging, so you are good unless you do not have those big Qi chargers where this metal plate may hinder. But if you have the small ones that are of this size max, this should work for you. The price of this case is $22.59 in Canada. So I am going to go ahead and test it, and if in case I have anything that I have worth sharing, I will definitely bring it to your notice and let you guys know how I feel about it. So that's my unboxing and review on ESR's case for iPhone Max with a kickstand, with a metal kickstand. And I'm gonna put the link down below for you to go ahead and buy it from Amazon. And if you like this unboxing and review, please give me a like for this video. Subscribe by clicking the bell icon. You can click on this small red icon on the video which says subscribe, and let me know your comments, your feedback, and what more you want to see out of these videos. Thank you and cheers.